Are you stuck on low views? Chances are that you are making one of these top 6 mistakes that is secretly killing your YouTube channel. Stick with me because in this video I am going to show you how to break free from these 6 mistakes and finally start growing faster on YouTube. Mistake number 1: weak thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail is a billboard of your video. So if it appears boring, cluttered or not clear, no one will click. I mean, if your thumbnail is not attractive, your video will sit there without recording any views, even if you have an amazing content. The same goes for your title. If your title is too generic, doesn't spark curiosity or critical thinking, then your viewers will scroll past it, and then your video will continue to record no views or even little views. So to fix this mistake, use big bold text with emotional imagery on your thumbnails. For example, if your video is talking about happiness or sadness, the image that should be in front of your thumbnail should express this. By so doing, it will be attractive and spark curiosity, and your viewers will want to get the details, leading to clicking and watching your videos. Your title also should promise a benefit, answer a burning question. For example, how to avoid these mistakes on YouTube. That question promises a solution to a problem. That kind of question will spark curiosity in the mind of your viewers, and they want to get the details so as to avoid the mistakes. So now let's talk about mistake number 2. So mistake number 2 is weak hook. The first 10 seconds of your video can make or break your video. And so it is important to make good use of that first 10 seconds of your video. To achieve this, start with a strong hook, maybe in form of a shocking fact or a direct question, or you can just go straight to the point. For example, check this question. Do you know that drinking 2 cups of green tea daily can change your life? You can try something in that format. So posting a direct question will help your viewers to think, and they will want to get the answer in order to avoid the mistakes and also have a solution to their problems. Now let's talk about mistakes number 3, and that is talking too much. And this can come in form of long introduction, irrelevant stories, or too much repetition of facts. But that doesn't mean that you cannot share related stories or re-emphasize a point in your videos, but you must be cautious so as not to bore your audience to click away. Now here is how to fix this mistake of talking too much. Avoid long introduction. If you must introduce yourself, be brief, and avoid bringing in long unrelated stories. Instead, focus on delivering value to your viewers. This will hook them or help them stay to watch your video. Another mistake that is secretly killing your channel is not having a niche. If, for example, today you make video about music, tomorrow you make video about crypto, and the next day you make video about food or clothing, it means you are confused, you don't have a niche. And that is one of the mistakes you must avoid if you want to grow fast on YouTube. That is because if you are trying to reach everyone, the reality remains that you will reach no one. So making videos that is not narrowed down to a particular niche is secretly killing your channel. You must avoid it if you want to grow faster. So to fix this, choose a niche for yourself, focus on it, and try to discern your audience challenges, and then make video that solve those challenges. And that is one of the key things that will help your channel to grow faster on YouTube. Now let's talk about mistake number 5, and that is no audience engagement. Interacting with your audience is a crucial step to building trust and relationship. And so avoid ignoring your audience, because if you do, they will also ignore you, and that will affect the growth of your channel. So to fix that mistake, always respond to your audience challenges or questions. Ask questions that will prompt response in your videos. This will help them feel heard and valued. The 6th mistake you must avoid is giving up too soon. Some creators make the mistake of quitting before their breakthrough. This could happen as a result of comparing their channel's growth to other creators' success, and such comparison can dampen your zeal. So to fix this mistake, avoid comparing your channel to other channels on YouTube. Instead, focus on your progress. Every video that you make should be better than the last one you created. Keep working on yourself and let the evidence of this hard work be seen in your videos, and you'll continue to grow on YouTube. If you have made any of these mistakes we've discussed, don't worry, we all start somewhere. What matters the most is the fact that you have to fix them now. I'd like to hear in the comment section the mistake that you are going to fix today. Can I be of help to you? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video to others if you have benefited in any way from it. And remember to subscribe for weekly tips to succeed online. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.